All right, Star Trek Discovery, Klingon bird of prey. Wow, what a bizarre looking ship. Well, it's from the '60s to now. All right, let's take a look at this thing. I'm pretty stoked. Nice. Star Trek Discovery. Almost looks like a creature, let alone a ship. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. Kind of a different, unique, bird of prey. I wonder if the bird on the home world of Klingon looked like that. All right. Pretty stoked. I'm pretty stoked. All right, let's take a quick on here real quick here. All right, here it goes. Let's take a look at this thing. Beautiful. I don't know if I should set this thing down. It'll be fine. It will be fine. What a trip. Fuck, he doesn't even look like a spaceship, man. Sorry about the coughing. My bad. I live in the state of Washington. Don't judge. Anyways, this is pretty cool. I like it. Looking forward to opening up the Defiant and this space shuttle looking thing. Anyways, it's my review of the Klingon ship. I truly like it. I can't wait to assimilate it into my collection. And that's it. Quick review. It's not going to go in the full detail of the ship. I've only watched one episode of that Discovery. Apparently, they want you to pay to watch their show. Thank you, CBS. Anyways, that's my quick review. I do dig it. It's a cool looking ship. I can't wait to see the other Star Trek Discovery ships that are going to come out later on this year, especially the Enterprise. The Enterprise looks pretty badass. Anyways, that's my quick review of the Bird of Prey. Thanks for watching.